Hi Pam and everyone over at Picture Perfect Painting. My name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. So 3 things I want to talk about today, content, citations, and backlinks. Contrary to popular belief, websites can bring you income. Not sure how you're generating your leads now, if it's all referral or if you're paying Angie's List, Home Advisor, any of those types of things. But like I said, this website can bring you money, and I'm not sure how much money it's bringing you now, if any. So take these tips, run with them. So you got a nice website laid out here. It looks like you may have paid somebody to do this. But what I'm noticing is that you don't have that many words. So interior painting, let's say, that's a pretty big service page. You got content. As far as content goes, I'm going to say less than 400 words max. So you're going to want to have 1,500 words. So 1,500 words is the magic number. Content is king in the eyes of Google. The more content you have, the better off you're going to be. So 1,500 words minimum. And then content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the pictures and how the pictures are saved and what's behind the pictures, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, etc. So a lot of times when we upload photos, they're just saved as whatever the computer decided to save it as that day. You're going to want to delete that, and you're going to want to be sure to input buyer intent keywords. Do some research on buyer intent keywords. 1,500 words of content minimum per page that you're trying to rank, and then make sure your pictures are saved properly. Okay, next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So you got Facebook, you got Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, all of those. And so those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this GMB. This is what we like to call map pack. So I typed in Indianapolis painting companies. I know you guys are outside in Plainfield, but I typed in Indianapolis because I know that's a big market, and that's going to encompass a lot of the areas. And so we got All Pro Painting, we got Russell Painting, we got M&B Painting, right? This is where you want to be, and this has to do with citations. And then if you're not here, you at least want to be down here in the organic. We got Guy Painting, we got CertaPro, Elite Pro, 5-Star Painting, okay? So you guys aren't here. Paint Co. Painters, Indiana Expert Painting, A+ House Painting website. So you guys aren't here, and this is where you want to be. So do some research, get yourself some citations, and then this will help you rank here in this map pack for the various buyer intent keywords you're trying to reach out to. And so luckily enough, you guys do have your own GMB already, and there's a couple things I see. Very good on the reviews. So you guys got 51 reviews, 4.9 star. Congratulations. That's awesome. Cannot stress that enough. We recommend 25 minimum. You guys got 51, so you're well on your way. Just keep pushing. Do whatever you're doing. Keep it up. Good job. And then I guess, so photos. So you want to have 10 photos minimum. So let's see here. If we click on your photos, you got at least 10. So you're good on the photos. I'm glad you guys uploaded these. So I guess the only thing I would recommend is to go in there and make sure that all those photos are saved properly with the correct content. And that's going to help Google rank you and pull you up on the back end. See, most people don't see what the picture's saved as, but Google does. And so that's going to help you too. And then the only other thing you could do is add your website here. Looks like you don't have your address. Maybe it's because you guys work out of home. And that's cool. That's totally fine. But you're definitely going to want to put your address, make sure those pictures are saved properly, and keep working on those reviews. So good job on that. And then last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is, you guys got 104 of them from 17 referring domains. What that is anywhere that pictureperfectpaintingllc.com is at on the web is going to give you a backlink. It's going to give you power from other websites. But the thing is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that you're getting your power from other sites that are relevant. You're a paint company. You want to be on, Sherwin. You want to be on PPG. You want to be on, you want to be on sites that are relevant to painting. Other painter sites, paintbrush sites. You don't want to be on lawn chairs in Florida. Well, maybe you do, but you don't want to be on that website because it's not going to do you any good. Because over here, if you look, even though you have 104 backlinks, you got 0 domain rating. So this is out of 100. So what that goes to tell me is even though you got 104 backlinks, they're not helping you. They're harming you because they're not on relevant sites, or the sites that they're on are very spammy and full of ads. So do some research. This is the tool we use called Ahrefs, ahrefs.com. Find out where your backlinks are and make sure they're coming and in the right places. And then your domain rating will go up, and you'll be well on your way to bringing in hundreds of leads from this website alone. So I hope your 2021 is blessed and good. I hope that you find these tips useful and that you implement them to help make yourself some money. Thanks for watching, and I hope business is good.